from Ultimate Addons. The fork stem has arrived, 10 to 13.2 millimeters, because this hole is 13.1 millimeters. Then we need to remove this piece of plastic over here, and then we can turn it. So remove this plastic cap over here with this. Just remove this, and then fasten this with this. Like that, and then pushing this back in, and then we have the ram mount, and then we can mount this back on and then place it the way we want on the bike. Then we can connect this also, push it in and turn it, but be careful when you turn the steering wheel to the right that your cable is long enough. Can you see it? So I think the best way to place it is like this. You can reach your key. It's not too high, and you can see that TFT screen also perfect. So that works very fine for me.